Greetings, my name is Devin McKenzie, the analyst at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD trading ideas for the 9th to 14th of January 2018. The CFDs presented here will need to be monitored carefully so that if the price action does play out as anticipated, trades can be initiated at the suggested entry levels. This week there are 7 CFD trading ideas, and these include a possible long trade in Anglo-American. The price has broken above the 50-day simple moving average as well as the lateral support around 266 Rand. So here we'll monitor this stock to see if it trades lower from current levels to retest that breakout level at around 266 Rand. If it does trade lower from where it is now, then you can look to buy it for a move up towards 284 Rand, where the prior highs from November come into play. There's a possible long trade in Barclays Africa. The stock rallied sharply towards the end of December and has since been consolidating, but it seems to be finding support at the 170 Rand 90 cent level, and so you can look to buy it at current levels, 170 Rand 90 cents, for a move up towards 185 Rand. There's a possible short trade in Barloworld. The stock is range bound between support at 155 Rand and resistance at 165 Rand. The stock is currently trading upward from its current levels, and it's approaching the upper boundary of the range. So here you'll monitor to see if it reaches the 165 Rand level. Any move up toward that level can be sold for a move down towards the lower boundary of the channel at around 155 Rand. There's a possible long trade in First Rand, also a stock that rallied sharply towards the middle of December. It has since also been consolidating and looks to be finding support around the 63 Rand level, and it's started to trade higher from that level, so you can look to buy this stock if it continues trading higher, and this would come into play at around 63 Rand 85 cents. So monitor the stock. If it does close at that price, then look to buy it for a move up towards 67 Rand, where the prior highs come into play. There's a possible long trade in Kumba Iron Ore. The stock has been one of the best performers over the last year, and it continues to trade in a strong upward channel. So here you'll look to buy the stock if it trades lower from current levels towards the lower boundary of this channel at around 380 Rand, and you'll look to buy it for a move up towards the top of the channel, which is at around 410 Rand. There's a possible long trade in SPAR. The stock is also range bound, and the price is currently near the lower boundary of the channel. So you can look to buy the stock at current levels, 194 Rand 90 cents, for a move up towards the upper boundary of the range, and that will come into play at around 204 Rand. Finally, there's a possible long trade in Sun International. The move above 61 Rand yesterday, which was the 8th of January, broke the upper boundary of a pennant pattern and suggests further upside to 65 Rand. So you can look to buy the stock at current levels, which is around 61 Rand 40 cents, for a move up towards 65 Rand. Those are your CFD trading ideas for this week. Please remember to manage your risk by using protective stop losses.